What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be opening a Falcon. So this makes a sound, and I think this shoots, and this is kind of cool because like in the movie, when it flies by, it has a blue thing that makes it go. And those are one of my favorite parts, and thanks for watching. Bye.